Congratulations, you've successfully wasted 2025, and now you're here, ready to make 2026 just as disappointing. Great, let's make sure you ruin it properly. No accidents, no last-minute improvements. All you have to do is follow this step-by-step guide, and I guarantee that next December, you'll be back here, watching the 2027 version of this video. 1. Start every day by grabbing your phone. Forget morning routines. Forget goals. Just roll over and let TikTok or Instagram inject 45 minutes of noise into your brain before you've even stood up. Bonus points if you compare yourself to someone younger, richer, and more successful. That's how you start the day correctly. 2. Avoid physical activity at all costs. Why would you need exercise? You're invincible, right? Your back doesn't hurt. Your metabolism works perfectly. Your energy hasn't tanked yet. Keep this mindset, and by the end of 2026, you'll be out of breath going upstairs and somehow look older than people your age. 3. Surround yourself with people exactly like you. Find friends who complain about their lives, never change, think ambition is cringe, and subtly sabotage your goals. Perfect. If nobody around you grows, you won't feel pressured to either. 4. Get addicted to planning. Mind maps, aesthetic to-do lists, Notion dashboards. Spend hours designing the illusion of a better you. Just don't actually become that person, because that would ruin everything. 5. Tell yourself you'll start tomorrow. This step is crucial. Quit a bad habit tomorrow. Start the side project tomorrow. Fix your sleep, you guessed it, tomorrow. Tomorrow is your safest place. It protects you from effort, discomfort, and accountability. 6. Wait for motivation instead of building discipline. Never act unless you feel like it. And when you don't feel like it, which is almost always, just say your mental health is stopping you. A true classic. 7. Treat sleep like an optional side quest. Go to bed whenever. Wake up tired. Repeat. Do this long enough and your brain will feel like mashed potatoes. It's the closest thing to legal self-destruction. The truth, that's it. Follow this guide and you'll guarantee yourself another wasted year. But here's the part you can pretend you didn't hear. There are only so many years where you're young enough to try. 2026 is one of them. Waste it if you want. Write another useless chapter. Tell yourself another comforting lie. But when your book comes to an end, don't act surprised when the ending isn't what you wanted.